Okay, so we are back, and you see here it is showing published. The state is published, and if you click, this is the state of the current image after successful completion of pool creation. That's right. And you see here, this is the vCenter server details, and this is the golden image snapshot, and everything is um, showing the status. And here we have the summary, desktops, instant clone, and this is created. You see here no users or group are entitled. Here it is showing. So what we can do is we can click on entitlement and add here add entitlements, and here we can add to any particular group for this machine will be assigned, or this pool will be assigned. So like I'll go here my domain and just to search different domains here, domain users, I'll select domain users and domain administrator. So you can see this is the domain users and domain admins. I'll put this too. Okay, so and here I'll click OK. So now these two groups can use this instant clone pool of desktops, right? And here go to the machine. We can check here. You see here number of machines. It is started with IC1. If you remember, I gave Win10-IC instant clone. This is the first machine got created, right? Now we can check. In fact, if you go to our vSphere environment, you can see this is a VM already available. In fact, you see this is a VM is already available. This is the VM it got created. Now, how to our desktop actually created? We can use it now, literally. So, just to show how to use it, what I'm going to do is I am going to my connection server connect.pnac.com, and I'll not put admin here. Simple, I'll put my the home directory connect.pnac.com. That is my connection server domain name. And here you see that you can download the VMware Horizon client, or if you want to use online access using your browser, you can do that. But for your operation, if you want to you want to use it, just download this instant VMware Horizon client. If you click it, it will take to the VMware download folder website, and this is VMware Connect VMware.com, and you can download this particular, if it is Windows, Mac, or Linux. So you see here, this is, I am using the Mac, so I'll go here and I will just download now. If I download directly, it's going to download. By the way, I have already downloaded that and installed it. So if you see here, download now, I'll download it again. This DMG file will be downloaded. If you are on Windows, go to Windows, and here you see this is a download now. You see this is the file, exe.exe file will be downloaded. And if you are on Linux, you want to access it from your Linux machine, you can go to your here Linux 32-bit, 64-bit. So I'll go to 64-bit here, and this will be 64-bit package will be downloaded. You see here, this is a bundle, and you can install it on your Linux machine. So I'll just go to my download folder, and you see this is my DMZ, and I can install it. So I have installed it in my system, and I'll go to my applications, and here if you see I have already VMware Horizon client. I'll just run that, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'll put continue, and I have already used it. What I'll do is let me go ahead and let me install it again. I'll remove it from my machine so that I can empty trash. I'll do that. I'll reinstall it again for this particular. So this is VMware Horizon client. I'll drag and drop application and copying again, and it is done. And now I'll go to application, and here it is. Open. Taking so much time. First time it will take some time. Okay, while this is starting, I don't know why it is taking so much of time. Let's go back. If we can find some other thing what is going on here. If you go to our folder, you can see a lot of folders have been created. This is prep internal template folder, parent VM folder, replica VM folder, resync VM folder, and our instant clone. There is another folder, and in that there is a VM. So okay, here it is. It came, and click continue, and because I already had it, it has already data in it. So you see here it is showing connection. So what I'll do is let me delete this. I will delete. So this is like a new one and new server, and here I'll put connect.enayachome.com. always connect at launch. Okay, click it if you want to have this server always connected. Connect, and yes, if you want to see certificates, this is untrusted because this is my home. I have not created actually certificate, SSL certificate, but if you have a production environment, you will have a SSL certificate installed to your server. Here I don't have it, so click continue, and now it is lost the username and password. So this is this is actually the domain name user. I just wanted to show you what is the domain name. I have created a instant clone domain name and the users also. For that, if you want to check what exactly it is, I'll just show you. I'll just log into my AD server and show you exactly what is the user and how I have created it. So this is one of them. We know that is a domain administrator, and here I just wanted to show and okay, so this is the DNS and this is the AD server you see you're running. And here if you go to the administrative tools, Active Directory domain Active Directory administrator, sites and services, Active Directory user and computers. Click here and you see, go to users and Horizon domain user. This is what I have created. And if you want to domain controllers, if you see, and this is my domain. And if you want to create this domain, I have the other video which you can watch. Sorry. And if you want to create the user, how to create a domain user, you can go ahead and again revisit my video and see how it is created. But here we see that I have created simple a domain Horizon domain user. This is the username. So let's use that. I call it Horizon domain user and password. And it is loading this. So now you see here it is first time I logged into the desktop, instant clone desktop created by the Horizon server, and this is my desktop Windows 10 machine has been assigned to me as a domain Horizon domain user. So we'll go back and you see this is, if I can go and see my folders. Took some time to show here folders, and here you see this is the users, and this is, you see, Horizon domain user. So this has been created, and there's administrator also because previously I logged in. So, and you can see here, let's go back a little bit and see what is happening to our connection server. So here machines, if you see here, this is okay. One thing I just wanted to show it here, that because this is assigned now, you see here connected to Horizon domain user, which I just logged in. So if you remember, we said that we want always one extra image to be ready. So once this is logged in, another one automatically created in the pool, so that it can be instantly assigned to another user if someone logs in, right? As long as this particular user is there, and if another user wants to log in, he can log into this machine, it will be assigned, and instantly once he logs in, then another machine will be automatically created. In vCenter server also, you can see here IC1 and IC2 both are created here, automatic, right? So if, let me go back and sign out from this machine, and let's see what happens. So I'll just go and sign out from this machine, and we can see that automatic this particular instance will be deleted automatic, because always we want one extra. So here it jumps back to 0, the number of users. So always only one machine will be extra created. I'll just refresh it, and you see here the connected user is no one, and once it is no one, you see here I refreshed it again, the one is one got deleted and 2 remains. So 1 is remaining in the pool. And again, if I log in back, let me show you, if I log in back and so I just want to show you here, I'll refresh it, you see here, okay, it will take some time. Missions, okay, you see this one is 2 is being created and assigned. It is not created, previously it was there, now it is assigned to 2 is assigned. Previously, if you remember, it was 1 was assigned. So I'll just refresh. Okay, 1 and 2. If another user from another machine, another laptop, I can show you. If I'm going to use my mobile, I can in fact, I believe I can have a mobile app get created, and or if, I believe VMware should have a client too. So that can be connected, and if I have another laptop, maybe I can connect to, and then that can be joined to this Horizon server, and also instant clone can be created. So that's it, guys, and let me know how you think about it. I'll try to put some more videos on it explaining all these aspects of configurations of connection server, and I'll also put a dedicated automated desktop spool, but I'll put, instead of floating instant cloning, I'll do is okay, next, in full virtual machine, which can be utilized for almost developer or heavy users. So developers I call heavy user, and I'll put dedicated so that each developer will have his own machine. Instead of floating, I'll go next, and so on and so forth, same thing, and give a ID name, and I'll take that in another video. Till the time, thank you for watching, and you see entitlement is 2 here, 2 type of users. Till that time, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have not subscribe to my channel, please do that. This will help me and encourage me to create new videos. Thank you, and thanks for watching again. Thank you. Bye.